everything too perfect. It too perfect. I call all day and make him tell us, oh, the girl just go there, so go stand up and then stay there. So I know she not on a service. What should I do on her phone? I call Randy and just ask him one question.
What the eye?
Yeah guys, so something new. You don't know your boy Iron Man, and today I'm gonna react with Uno on Jamaican pranks. You see me I say if them real, if them fake, if them funny, if them don't funny. So what I do is I just type in some random Jamaican pranks, the popular one them. I put them in a watch later and I'm gonna watch a couple of them with you. Yeah, if you like the video, just drop a like, subscribe, and let's get right into it. Make the intro well short and sweet. Boom. Alright, so the first video we have right here. Yeah, name Undercover Cop in the Ghetto. You see what I'm saying? Alright, so look like him got some ghetto place and he might do a prank. First of all, me personally, based on my experience, you can't go in nobody ghetto if you not come from there, go record. So probably him come from there. You see me? So I go on, come with him. Get one what? Alright, so it come like people that run at the corner and wait for him. Brother, this kind of seem bogus, but me I go and watch it still. It seem entertaining though. What the f***, dog? How are you gonna do this? Flexible Suede, that's the channel, the Flexible Suede.
Look at me. Read it. Steer toe.
Yo, big man. Why you use my intro sound, big man? What am I?
To steer toe. We are one of the most dangerous communities in a city.
Yo.
Jamaica.
You only get one use of it. Don't use it again. You know that? When you Flexible Suede, me I say it right?
If you ever heard that radio and I start up here. I don't say it's a shoes man for boys still. Shoes, they out tell us I sell shoes, brother. Shoes sell out, I watch you, brother. No, they really, but you know, so somebody make me know, say, how person can get them thing there for boy, cause you know.
Alright, so you got the people in place that try to buy shoes. If you don't know what shoes mean, me not gonna tell you. You gotta ask Cartel. Alright.
A boy violate mother and be the one of them things for boy though.
Somebody tell you that.
How
could I tell you that now, brother?
Brother, I'm listening to all in a song and them way, and I know, so this them place I go up on the turf, you see me?
They are the shoes to buy.
I don't know joking thing, Rasta, serious thing.
I know, I can't trust no man nowadays, you know, brother. I don't know how them things are going, you know, brother. Man just come pop up for me.
No, man, a serious thing, Rasta, me have the money and everything.
So how will tell you that, brother?
Alright, so far this look like our real settings. You see me got to somebody. The cameraman look like him there one good little distance. Can't hide. I'm gonna see what I got on if it's funny or.
I'm just ask you, if you know of it, you know of it.
You move so clean, brother. You can't look shoes and move so clean.
No, so I'm for move then, Rasta.
Man, you move like a police.
No, man, no.
Yeah, bad man. No shoes, brother.
Your microphone low door, brother. Where you get it from? Microphone your body out. Or is a phone? I can't want a phone that.
That way you can check me, Rasta. Man, I'm no police. Yeah, Rasta. Man, I'm no police.
Man, you have something under your clothes.
I know nothing under my clothes, Rasta. I know nothing under my clothes, bro, God. A serious thing me I deal with, Rasta. Serious thing. It's a boy violent mother me look a shoes, boy.
Brother, I'm posing my brain in them.
Rasta, that's you, man,
so clean, you know, you.
Rasta. So now, me a chopper, Rasta. So me I look a shoes. You know what I mean, Rasta? Me I look a shoes, boy.
You know, I don't have no shoes, but I have one link and make you get a one shoes, boy. You know, no Rasta, but you know, in them things, but you know what thing, don't.
So you can't make me get it?
One link.
You can't make me get it?
My money more, I know, I go first.
Me have the money.
Oh, how much money you can pay?
So far it seems legit. You see the first part where the people them just run out at the same time, that looks suspicious. You see me I say? If it's funny, yeah, this is very entertaining. Very, very entertaining. Flexible Suede, big up yourself.
If you come to shopping, brother, I'm a front line man. I always up on the front and go and eat.
I can't make it up.
Much you can make it?
Me have the money.
You have the money?
240.
I make killing.
You make killing?
Yes, sir.
You see, you can't make me get it?
Brother, yeah. You say I move like a police.
Me now move like me and police, just say talk. Me make a really come in them place and me and police.
How are you, bro?
And me alone apart.
Yeah, come back.
And my dog bring me in a place, you see?
Lucky, you're lucky, you know.
You see, can I get it?
Yeah, they look like a good youth still.
Can I get
Yeah,
it?
make you get it still.
So make you link me now, so make you get it.
Yeah, I make it.
Yes.
I'm gonna tell you what I feel like. You can't go in and get to go record unless you come from the brother, you see me? So, one, this have to be real, I know the people, there's no other. It depends on them reaction, you see? How you can know if a real prank, yes, when you prank somebody and them a real bad man from both the place and them you get a reaction from them. When you tell them say a video thing and a record, them a get like serious and them a go want to do something, man. Just check my prank, them you see people get mad and want to do me something. Them they are real prank. So we're gonna see how him rock in the end.
But me have one, you know. Right, boy, yeah, funny. No, one, I do not rock.
Run, them a fi run. You want bet, say them a fi run. I bet, say them a fi run.
Yeah, I'm in general.
So what I'm after that?
I know it's fine, what could I get?
Nah man, I ending my want to see, brother. So after them run off, what happened?
I get. Yes, I see it, I'm up.
Yo,
Bring me.
I want to see what I'm after. I'm not back in the video.
Right, no, brother. Go squad it, come, get one.
Well, you know see the interaction them. You know see the interaction them. So me not too rascal. My caution tape chopper. I'm just going like the never see that, isn't it? So him never put the ending. Me don't know what the reaction. You have to leave the ending part in a video or for all the people them find out.
So yeah man, a prank thing and
That's how when you know say a real prank. You see all them reaction after them find out say a prank. Him cut them out of the video so I can't tell. But very entertaining video. Yeah, so put them link in the description. You can go subscribe to them. Alright, and next one is Play Best Gold Digger Gets Caught in Jamaica. Now, brother, first of all, I try the gold digger prank already. I 3 years know me a prank. I try the gold digger prank. I have friend where have BMW, I have rich friend where drive Mark X.
Man, yeah man, take that car, go off a cheek, go do a prank.
Give me car, I can't even drive. I have to make my friend them drive me. The whole day, what did I try to do that prank there? None of the girl them never want to go in the matter of fact. One girl going in the car and the last part, because we did it from 12 o'clock. One girl going in the car and the battery did dead. Jesus, the something jump off again. Lord have mercy. Yo, stop embarrassing me. Stop embarrassing me. One girl going in the car and the battery dead, so I didn't even get to see, so I never post that video. However, when I get the girl them going in the car, bro, on a golden. That gold digger prank, you have to go to woman where I stand up. You can't, like, people always are walk about them business. Nobody now starts. You have to go to like a park or a plaza or something. You can't just go up on a roadside. So, I don't know how they do it, but they get whole heap of views. See the 418,000. Play best. Link in the description. Listen. Let's see cameraman. This come like you want them with their foreign, cause you know the foreign gold digger prank them when the girl them a stand up now the none. Okay, alright. Why it look like a plan that girl there, bro?
Yeah, don't stop the camera, no dog. She look here. Just act like you know see. Don't stop the camera, my G. You see me?
Oh, your cameraman hear that. The car bad though. Blood clash, you walk over there. Dog. Wait. Oh, the fuck? We ain't gonna do this. We do the same thing with him do and none of. Alright, people. Look, I'm not a bad looking guy. I make girls stop me, I talk to them, I sit down on the car, everything. Yeah, man, come to the car. No, I'm not know where I can't. Where you go? Shadow, go downtown. Anyways, yo, you you're great. Brother, I tell you, say, my dog them give me a Mark X. But girlfriend never have car, friend have a car, dog. Why you the girl them never going to the car, brother? Girl look good still.
Yo, don't make she say no, brother. Don't make she see you.
Hold on there, hold on. What you want to say?
Yes, sir. That's the main thing. No jokes. Yo, don't make she see you, no, brother. Don't make she see you.
Bad man. Bad man. Bad man. Alright, you're there on your skateboard. You still there?
Don't laugh off I'm skating. Remember, I'm not a professional skater.
That good man, we not laugh at you, bro. Me, one of the girls still there. Oops, what do we rush you to write this out? Get text shade.
I'll go, my friend.
Bro, is a phone you use as a microphone?
Go to
So she
place,
not
I
realize
can
that?
No,
First, man, see you.
I'm just familiar to me.
Yeah, me I say no, man, a whole heap of red, alright, whole heap of red flag go off. One, if a girl see me with a phone, them a say a record. All if I me them see a next man, cause everybody know about pranking now. Two, all the rest the girl just go there and stand up, brother. Plant that girl there. Everything too perfect. It too perfect. I call all danger, make him tell us it. Oh, the girl just go there so go stand up and then stay there. So I know she not on a service. What should I do on her phone? I call Randy and just ask him one question. Do prank with him. Make a GZ. Randy answer the phone, man. Yo. I something more I ask you, bro. I start it back now. Whenever we are pranked, right? Sometimes like when we see somebody and then we're ready for prank them, don't them walk off? Yeah, they walk. Alright. You ever see somebody walk yet and then just stop and then stand up just not do nothing for 5 minutes?
Well, yeah, sometimes.
Sometime, right? Bro, me I watch a video where this brother do a gold digger prank. And one girl, them a watch this girl from a mile away, you know, so it's like them pick her from long time. And then she just walk and then she just stop right near which part them park the car, bro. And she just stand up. You see me?
Right, like she'll wait.
Yeah, it's like she'll wait for get prank, dog. Like a plant her. Me I tell you say too perfect. Like, don't want prank, not no perfect. We always have here. I lie, me I tell.
Alright, sometimes you just look like a planning.
Brother, me I watch the thing right now. I say no. Alright, watch it. I call Danger and ask him. Cause I know I'm not mad right now. Oh shit, man, I'm up in front of time. Sorry about that, Randy. Sorry about that.